just wanna be famous. You can see that my
Look, I'm still filming. Hell yeah, that was a perfect shot.
Help me out.
Oh my god, I was filming that whole time.
Okay, how do did I miss the turn? Oh, damn. What's going on? That's security. There might be another meetup spot. I'll have to check on Facebook. Ikea shut down, so I looked on Facebook and everyone's going to Best Buy. So hopefully everybody will be at Best Buy and the cops won't be there when we show up. But cross your fingers. Oh yeah.
Oh shit, I found it.
Part closer to those.
We're here, bitches.
Alright, so
And then you did, and I was like, alright, I guess we're not going slow anymore.
Yeah, that's what I told Kate.
Around saying, like, yeah, maybe. Like, that's not fucking cool. Like, my
wow. That looks pretty good.
Oh, look at this, that's that grill.
Where? Oh shit.
God damn.
It's like we're sending smoke signals to everybody else. Like, we're here.
Yeah, like we're vaping, like we are apart. There's a Supra.
Get that truck.
So we out here. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, it says Evo.
Damn.
What the
Oh my god! That thing has suicide
There for
doors
like
on
5
it.
minutes.
That thing has suicide doors on it.
suicide doors. Oh my god.
Jesus Christ. Welcome to H-Town, you guys. I love that.
They sound hold down, you know. Can't come to a Texas car meet and not see it.
Yeah. Have you ever been to Bombshells? Like when they park up on the the
My
lawn?
friend posted a picture of his Jeep on top of one of the rocks.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I mean, guy behind him got hit by another guy. So two trucks. No.
Dude, he's playing Fat Pat. I love Fat Pat. Respect to him. Dude, honestly, there's a lot of pretty cool cars. Victoria, I'm so inspired by all of these Hondas. I might just slam it. What if I slammed it?
You'll see Shauna's Honda and Miami Auto. Just follow.
Trying to give directions over Snapchat. Oh my god. I guess it was honestly kind of good to be early. Like, we were kind of early, I guess. What did you say?
Said I'm gonna laugh like this.
Yeah.
I can
We're going to Chinatown, right?
Yeah.
I got a megaphone. We professional.
Shit, they do have a megaphone. Let's hop across. Come on. All right, so we're gonna ride the loop or whatever and go meet somewhere else.
I'm gonna follow everybody.
All right, well, I have you guys on Snapchat. I'm sure we'll find each other.
Yeah, I'm just
the
gonna
loop's
follow
on Facebook, so.
Yeah.
That's pretty loud.
So that's 610. Going to U-turn. This is I-10. You're gonna U-turn. You can get back on the freeway if you want, and then. It's kind of quiet out.
For now.
Cops? I see a cop. There's a cop.
It's a Beamer.
These birds, look how many, Shauna. Oh my god, they're everywhere. If someone revved their engine, I bet it'd scare all these birds away. Oh my god, are these all crows?
Oh my god.
I love Houston.
So what's...
We used to MC, I flip those. I might buy a red bottoms with the crypto. 3 coins.
I hear him too. Okay.
There's a security guard being an asshole. We were told not to hang out there.
Damn.
Let's go get ice cream.
Damn.
Do you want the cone?
Yeah, I want the cone.
Okay, what do you want?
Have you even taken a lick yet? Pretty bomb.
The cops are here.
What'd you say?
We're just here for some ice cream. I don't know what's going on. I drive a Honda Accord.
Oh no, did he pull someone over?
Oh my god, they got the helicopter.
They do not have the helicopter.
You've hit 3 stars on GTA.
Yeah, but I don't want to move now because we're quote unquote just here for ice cream, right?
Yeah. Need a pee-pee.
Oh, my ice cream. What the fuck is going on? Holy shit. Man.
Cops are coming, telling us to get out.
Where do we go? Fucking shut down.
Clear, because we're just parked.
Okay, cool. We're just parked too. Where are you guys at?
New ice.
It's like over there.
I got some weird ice.
They got food over here?
Oh, is this her first car meet?
You just wanted to take pictures.
Damn, it's fucking right here. It's the place that I went.
Is it open?
No, it closed an hour and a half ago.
Man.
Get it at an angle! Woo! That's my boy. Ain't gonna keep. Don't be freaking. That's freaking.
Everything's closed.
Bye, you guys.
Bye, boys.
Fuck.
There's his Miata.
Yeah, there he is. He already reparked. The cop shut it down. So I think everybody might be going back to Best Buy, but at the moment it is
Midnight.
yeah, it's like pretty much midnight. So
It's time for Whataburger.
we're gonna go and get some Whataburger, and we're gonna go
Texans
home.
clocks say it's Whataburger time.
Yes. Is that what this is? The back way?
Yeah, this is the back way.
I'm never gon' dish shit. I'll miss shit. I'm dissing as fuck and I ain't got the time to just kick it. I might pull up and see over bitch like will it in? I got the bag, tell a friend.
It's a different type. Regular ketchup, please. Pie, cookie, onion ring, no tomato, no onion. Fries, honey barbecue.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Alright. Good night. We are going home and going to eat this. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace.